In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's appearance using site styles for a fresh professional look. Let's dive in and learn how you can transform the visual appeal of your website, starting with adjusting your site styles, tweaking the site's header, and modifying the fonts to better convey your brand's personality. First, let's head over to the design section of your website's dashboard. This is where the magic begins. Selecting the Design tab opens up a range of options that allow you to refine the visual aspects of your site. This is crucial because a well-designed website not only captures attention but also helps communicate your message more effectively. Next, locate the Site Styles option, which provides the tools to make alterations to various design elements of your website. Think of this as your creative toolkit. Here, you're not just limited to colors and fonts, you can enhance the entire look and feel of your site to align with your vision. It's important to keep in mind the theme and mood you want to establish for your visitors as you select these different styles. This is a space where you can experiment and see what resonates best with your brand's identity. Now, let's focus on adjusting your site's header. The header serves as the first impression of your site, so you want it to be compelling and inviting. Within the site styles, you'll find various header customization settings. Here, you can modify the size, layout, and background of your header. This might include changing the logo position, adjusting the height, or even selecting a background color or image that complements the rest of your site. Pay close attention to this area since headers often contain key navigational elements or branding logos. After refining the header, it's time to turn our attention to the fonts. Fonts play a significant role in aesthetics and readability. Back in the Site Styles menu, you can explore and select from a variety of font types available. Whether you prefer a classic serif, a modern sans serif, or a decorative script, ensure that the chosen fonts align with your brand's tone. Adjust the font sizes and colors to make sure the text stands out clearly against your background. This careful selection helps to maintain the professionalism and readability of your content across different devices, ensuring that your message is effortlessly received by your audience. Once you've made your adjustments, be sure to save your changes. This step is crucial because you wouldn't want your hard work to go unnoticed or unrecorded. Just hit the save button to make sure all your customizations are retained. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your website site styles, header, and fonts to create a visually appealing and coherent digital experience. By taking the time to curate these elements, you're contributing significantly to the overall user experience, making your site not just a place to visit, but an engaging digital destination.